Welcome to the Off-Road Podcast. Today, I am talking about Coyote Enterprises Automatic Tire Deflators. We had Coyote Enterprises on the show a few months ago, and we were delighted when they sent us out a few sets for us to try out. In the package, you will receive 4 deflators with silver springs, 4 red springs, and a carrying case. The silver spring allows for a destination pressure of 4 to 20 psi, while the red spring allows for a destination pressure of 8 to 56 psi. The nice thing about the auto deflators is once you have set the destination pressure, all you need to do is screw them on and wait for them to do their job. It is that easy. All 4 tires deflate at the same time, and you spend less time hunched over your tires. It really takes the work out of airing down, allowing you to drink your coffee, swap stories with friends, or whatever else you want to do before you hit the trail. So why should you look at running the Coyote deflators? There are a few main benefits to the Coyotes. First off, you can just screw these things on and head off down the trail. You do not need to wait for them to finish before you start. Other deflators on the market will tell you not to drive with them on, but you will have no problems with the Coyotes. Just as a note, you will want to use a little bit of caution and remove them as soon as they are done, as it does make for a larger target for that well-placed rock to go ahead and tear your valve stem off. Second, they feature a manual start ring that allows you to start airing down even if you only need to make a small adjustment. Other deflators on the market that don't feature that start ring, you have to actually air the tire back up to get it to actually start. You do not need to do that with the Coyotes. Additionally, these deflators can be adjusted without the use of a tool. Other deflators, they require a tool that can be lost or damaged. The Coyote eliminates that possibility. Let's face it, no product is going to be without its flaws, so let's be open and honest when it comes to the Coyotes. The main problem that I've seen is that the adjustment is not internal. What this means is that it is possible to accidentally change the destination pressure. You can mitigate this risk by properly securing the locking ring though. The other complaint that I have heard is that it takes a while to get these things set. One way that you can improve that amount of time is to only increase the tire pressure 3 to 4 psi above the destination pressure between adjustments. Setting these is relatively straightforward. When you first use them, go ahead and just thread them right on and allow them to deflate your tires until they stop. At that point, unthread the deflator and check the tire pressure. This will tell you where the deflator is currently set. To adjust the pressure set point, simply loosen the lock collar and turn the adjustment cap. Turn it clockwise or down to increase the destination pressure, and turn it counterclockwise or up to decrease the destination pressure. The pressure will change at about a rate of 4 psi per revolution. You can use the reference mark to keep track of your change. Air the tire up about 3 to 4 psi higher than your intended destination pressure and screw the deflator back on. You may need to gently pull the manual start ring to restart the flow of air. When the air has stopped, remove the deflator and check your pressure. Repeat this process as required until you reach your intended setting. Finally, tighten the lock collar against the adjustment cap. Do not use pinching tools such as pliers or vice grips, as this will void your warranty. Use only open-end box or adjustable wrenches when locking in your setting. If you're interested in automatic deflators, head over to Coyote Enterprises and check out their great product. Let them know that we sent you. Also, if you're in the market for winch recovery gear or armor, head over to Warren Industries and check out their great selection of products. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Leave us some feedback down in the comments section. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.